Acumatica provides the best business management solution for digitally resilient companies. Built for mobile and telework scenarios and easily integrated with the collaboration tools of your choice, Acumatica delivers flexibility, efficiency, and continuity of operations to growing small and mid-market organizations. Transform your organization with a modern and adaptable business management platform. Acumatica's General Business Edition helps you improve cash flow, streamlining the quote-to-cash and procure-to-pay cycles with automation powered by artificial intelligence. Boost sales with embedded CRM and exceed customer expectations with self-service portals and configurable support cases. Gain insights through role-based dashboards and tailored inquiries with drill downs. Improve project profitability, analysis, and billing with native project accounting. Simplify time capture and payroll activities and empower remote staff with mobile apps. With unlimited user licensing, Acumatica provides a modern business platform for everyone. Streamline invoicing and collection activities for improved cash flow and automate vendor payments with artificial intelligence. Connect information and workflows across the organization for support, purchasing, marketing, human resources, IT, and operational leaders. Arm remote workers with customer information via secure mobile apps for notifications, appointments, contacts, project details, and account information. Acumatica provides a best-in-class platform for organizations in varied industry segments. Professional and business service companies manage tasks with project accounting and flexible customer billing. Software firms comply with ASC 606 revenue recognition requirements through deferred and recurring revenue. Agriculture and mining operations become more streamlined. Communication and utility businesses manage contracts with embedded field service features. Nonprofits foster member relations and account for charitable donations. Acumatica is the solution of choice for companies engaged in healthcare, finance, transportation, hospitality, education, and other diverse industries. Acumatica is built on a modern cloud platform with flexible workflows, open APIs, and robust customization tools for global businesses. Get paid faster with accounts receivable and collections. Automate mundane tasks such as bank reconciliation, expense approvals, and AP bill entry. Embedded project accounting includes flexible billing, change control, and real-time insights into project statuses and costs. Grow with native CRM and order management features, including marketing and sales automation, customer support, purchasing, and non-stock inventory. Extend your system with more than 300 applications on the Acumatica Marketplace. The General Business Edition forms the core business and technology platform for Acumatica's construction, retail, distribution, and manufacturing editions. Gain valuable insights and accelerate decision-making with reporting tools that inform everyday decisions, deliver personalized KPIs, identify growth opportunities, and surface issues and risks. Low-code and no-code reporting tools and flexible generic inquiries deliver financial and operational transparency. Role-based dashboards present real-time statuses for projects, sales pipelines, finances, and tasks. Acumatica is consistently recognized by industry analysts and real-world users as one of the best ERP applications for usability and industry-leading functionality. Acumatica is different by design. Our unique customer bill of rights protects your investment through transparent contracts with unlimited user licenses and ethical business practices. Boost sales by identifying new opportunities and leveraging upsell, cross-sell, and item substitution opportunities. Optimize your business by automating processes, integrating workflows, and visualizing end-to-end operations. Exceed customer expectations by proactively addressing issues with self-service access to orders, payments, support cases, and requests. Gain strategic insights with personalized KPIs, reports, dashboards, trends, and anomaly analysis. Reduce financial and compliance risks with secure data access, system audits, and reporting. Discover why Acumatica is rated highest in usability and how organizations transform their businesses with automation on a mobile, adaptable, and extensible platform.
Incubator is a digital marketing services agency. We have offices all the way from Australia into South Africa, across most of Europe, into New York and Los Angeles as well. We are proud to work with some of the biggest brands in the industry such as Marks & Spencer, L'Oreal, Disney.
Historically, we captured stuff very much in an aggregate fashion, so the degree of granularity just didn't exist in our system. And now with the system defined to give us that level of granularity, and in a fairly easy manner, I'm able to extract that data and spin it into any sort of view I want. That's really been one of the biggest wins for us.
If you were to ask the team best thing about Acumatica, they would say the Acumatica mobile app.
It's about spending where you need to spend and not spending where you shouldn't be.
If you work for a business that is really wanting to expand rapidly into various different territories and really become a truly global organisation, I would highly recommend Acumatica to support the business on that journey.
The scalability of the Acumatica solution allows us to bring users in on almost an unlimited basis, which means that our revenue ambitions are literally limitless.
At Smart Numbers, our mission is to make voice communication safer. We have cloud-based communications technology, and it's used by most of the high street banks in the UK. We help them in their contact centres to prevent fraud and streamline the customer authentication journey. When we first started looking for a replacement platform, we looked at all the main alternatives: SAP Business One, NetSuite, Sage, and really for us, none of them stood up in the way that Acumatica did in terms of user experiencing, licensing model, and just pure fitting our requirements. It's got a really open API. We've been able to join lots of data sources together, and that's enabled us to get really great insights into a really wide range of metrics. And it's supercharged our business. Everyone's working together really well and way more efficiently than they were before.
Going from 12 different systems down into one system within Acumatica, so that's a massive saving in terms of cost, but the time saving is also a massive saving, and that shouldn't be overlooked either. Our customers rely on us, and we're there as the backup, and what we're able to deliver through the use of Acumatica is that continuity in service.
Acumatica has been an absolute dream for everyone within the business.
Acumatica is so easy to use. I love it.
There's a huge range of things that go on in Extension in New York State. We cover agriculture, community and economic development, the environment, nutrition, youth and families.
There's 56 different associations in the state of New York, so each one of them does things just a little bit differently since they're their own actual 501c3 entities.
I was used to having to go to the office and look up something in a file cabinet. Everything I need is in Acumatica.
Right before we started talking, I stood over to the left, pulled my cell phone out, and I looked at a receipt from a 4-H'er about a scholarship and approved the voucher for it.
Every few years, we have to do an economic impact study. In the past, it's taken literally months to put that data together. We expect to be able to do that in just a few days now.
Acumatica has given every one of my staff increased independence to get the information they need.
It's a complete business solution as opposed to just a financial software package.
Acumatica is magic.
Contact us to discover how Acumatica can transform your business with a modern and intuitive cloud platform. Acumatica, building the future of business together.